Have you ever tried pasting dozens of addresses into Google Maps only to end up with a single broken pin? That is because standard Google Maps is built for navigation, not for mapping large lists. To visualize multiple points at once, you need a separate free tool called Google My Maps. Before importing your data, your spreadsheet must be formatted correctly. Make sure your file, such as a CSV or Excel sheet, has clean headers with distinct columns for street address, city, state, and zip code. Keeping these components separate prevents the importer from placing your pins in the wrong location. Once your spreadsheet is clean, head over to Google My Maps and create a new map. Click the Import button on the default layer. Upload your file and select the specific columns that define your locations. Next, pick a column to label your markers, such as a business or client name, and click Finish. Your pins will instantly plot across the map. Keep in mind that each layer can hold up to 2,000 locations with a maximum of 10 layers per map. Also, imported maps are static, so if you update your spreadsheet later, you will need to re-import the file to update your visual map. Now, you can easily transform complex location lists into a clear, interactive map in seconds.